Hello folks, today I'm out here doing a deck inspection and I found something that it's wild. Now you can see I'm up on this deck right here and you can see where we're at. We only got a few feet up, you know, but I mean, look at this. Look at my steel I-beam. That's what I really wanted to share. Look at my steel I-beam. Look at that. I mean, it is just totally rotted away. I mean, do you ever see, look at that. It's de-lambed. It just de-lambed. Look at over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. See, look at that. Whoa. They walk across this every day. Every day. Now, luckily, they won't have too far to fall. They might only break a neck. They might only break an arm. I mean, if that's great. But look at that. And this is why you should get your building inspected. You know, before it gets this bad. Before it gets this bad, get it inspected. Have somebody like myself or come out here and take a look. Because this is wrong. But look at that. Oh, wow, this is wild. And, hey, still, look at that. Can you see it? Can you see up underneath there? You can't really see too much now in this light. But this is, I mean, it's totally gone. You can even see it sagging underneath there. You can't really see it in this video because of the lighting. But, wow. Wow, wow, wow. You can't make this up. Woohoo! Anyway, folks, God bless. Thank you for watching our videos.